Today, I'm going to make this crypto trading YouTube thumbnail. So go to canva.com. Select the size 1280 into 720 pixels. First, select the background color to gray or ash color. Add a text. Change the color to white. Change the font to Anton. Go to Apps and search for the type gradient. Write something trading related. Select the gradient colors. Subscribe and check the description for the color code. Add to design. Duplicate this text. Increase the letter space. Add a shape. Change the corner round to 10. Change the position to backward. Now duplicate the shape. Border weight 3. Change the border color and background color. Change the text color to black. Search for the wow image. Select this. Remove the background. Go to Edit and then Shadow. Select the glow shadow. Size 10. Blur. Amount 30 and intensity 50. Change the color to green. Increase the brightness to 10. Search for the dollars. Select this. Duplicate this. Now select this dollar. Now select this dollar and remove the background. Make it 15% blurry. Changing the position to backward. Now select this dollar. Also make it 15% blurry. Add a dollar emoji. Make it 40% blurry. Search for the trading background. Select this. Make it 20% blurry. Set it as a background. Add a green glow. Changing position to backward. Duplicate this. Changing the position to backward. Change the dollar position to backward. Add a shadow. Change the position to backward. Add another shadow. Change the position to backward. Here is the final result. If you want to get more thumbnail designs for crypto or trading, please let me know in the comment box. And please subscribe to my channel for the future updates. Thank you.